Are you tired of struggling to find the perfect sound for your guitar? Do you spend hours tweaking knobs on your amp, only to end up with a mediocre tone? If so, you're not alone. Many guitarists face this challenge, but fear not. In this article, we will reveal 7 must-know secrets that will help you rock your guitars and amps like never before. Understand your equipment. To achieve the best possible sound, it's crucial to have a deep understanding of your equipment. Take the time to learn about the different components of your guitar and amplifier, from pickups and strings to tubes and speakers. Knowing how each element works together will give you more control over your tone. Experiment with different settings. Don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone and experiment with different settings on both your guitar and amp. Try adjusting the pickup selector switch or playing around with various EQ settings on your amplifier. By exploring these options, you might stumble upon a combination that produces an incredible sound unique to you. Invest in quality gear. While it's true that talent matters more than gear when it comes to playing guitar, having quality equipment can significantly enhance your overall sound. Consider investing in high-quality guitars, pickups, pedals, or amplifiers that suit the style of music you play most often. Remember that even small upgrades can make a noticeable difference in tone. Find your signature style. Every guitarist has their own signature style, their unique way of playing that sets them apart from others. Spend time discovering what makes you stand out as a player by experimenting with different techniques such as palm muting or fingerpicking styles like hybrid picking or chicken picking, popularized by country players. Developing these skills will add depth and character to your sound. Embrace effects pedals. Effects pedals are a guitarist's best friend when it comes to creating distinct sounds. Whether you're into classic rock, blues, or heavy metal, there's an effects pedal out there that can help you achieve the desired tone. Experiment with different types of pedals like overdrive, delay, reverb, or modulation to find the perfect combination for your style. Learn from others. Learning from experienced guitarists can be incredibly valuable in honing your skills and finding your perfect sound. Attend workshops or watch online tutorials by renowned players who share their techniques and insights. This exposure to different playing styles and approaches will broaden your musical horizons and inspire you to experiment further. Trust your ears. Ultimately, the most important secret to rocking guitars and amps is trusting your ears. While it's helpful to learn from others' experiences, remember that everyone has unique preferences when it comes to tone. Don't be swayed by popular opinions. Trust what sounds good to you. Experimentation combined with listening carefully will lead you down the path of discovering your own signature sound. In conclusion, finding your perfect sound on guitars and amps doesn't have to be a daunting task anymore. By understanding your equipment, experimenting with settings, investing in quality gear, developing a signature style, embracing effects pedals, learning from others' expertise while trusting your ears, these 7 secrets will guide you towards achieving the ultimate guitar tone that resonates with who you are as a musician. So go ahead, unleash the full potential of your guitars and amps. Explore new possibilities through experimentation and embrace the journey of discovering what truly rocks for you. Remember, great tones are within reach if only we dare venture beyond our comfort zones.